The Albanese government has recently made a significant change in the temporary skilled migration income threshold. The new policy raises the minimum income threshold to $70,000. This is a substantial increase from the previous threshold, signifying a major policy shift. This decision is not without its reasons. The government believes that this change will attract more skilled migrants. They are confident that the new income threshold will ensure that only high-skilled migrants, who can significantly contribute to the Australian economy, will be able to secure a temporary visa. The new policy has received mixed reactions. Some believe that the move will indeed attract more skilled workers to the nation. They argue that the higher income threshold will ensure that only those who are truly skilled and can contribute significantly to the economy will be able to migrate. However, there are also those who are skeptical of the new policy. Critics argue that the increase in the income threshold might discourage potential skilled migrants. They worry that the new threshold is too high and could deter talented individuals who might not meet the new income requirement. The Albanese government, on the other hand, remains firm in its decision. They believe that the new policy will not only attract more skilled migrants, but also ensure that these migrants are adequately compensated. The government is optimistic that the new income threshold will lead to a win-win situation for both the migrants and the Australian economy.